This video is about form handling in PHP. We can create and use forms in PHP. To get form data, we need to use PHP superglobals $_get and $_post. The form request may be get or post. To retrieve data from get request, we need to use $_get. For post request, $_post. Now get form. Get request is the default form request. The data passed through get request is visible on the URL browser, so it is not secured. You can send limited amount of data through get request. Post form. Post request is widely used to submit form that have large amount of data such as file upload, image upload, login form, registration form, etc. The data passed through post request is not visible on the URL browser, so it is secured. You can send large amount of data through post request. Now let's see the examples for get and post form. So first of all, let's see a simple example to receive data from get request in PHP. So first we have to create a form with a .html extension. So just start form space action. So we are creating a form with action equals to welcome.php and the method is get. Then the name input type equals to text, name equals to name. Alright, then input type equals to submit and value is visit slash and the form tag is closed. Okay, so this is my file. Now let's save it with the name form1.html. okay, form1.html. now let's create another file with a .php extension on the submit of this form1.html file. Okay, so let's create this php $name equals to $_get name. So what we are doing here, we are receiving the name field value of the HTML form in $name variable. Then echo welcome and $name. Okay, and a semicolon here. Now let's save this with the name that is welcome.php. okay, now let's run this localhost / form1.html. okay, so this is the result. Now let's enter any value, say Jack. okay, so welcome Jack. This is our PHP file, that is this one. okay, welcome $name through get. Now let's see another example to receive data from post request in PHP. Okay, so for that we need to create another form. So okay, let's create another form action equals to login.php and method is post. Okay, trtd name then input type equals to text, name equals to name, then td and tr. Then tr td for password, slash td then input type is password here, and name is password. Okay, now let's close these things. Slash td and slash tr, then tr td call span equals to input type equals to submit, value equals to login, and slash td and slash tr. Okay, then we have to end table tag. Okay, I forgot the table tag here, and at last form tag. Okay, so this is our complete form. Now let's save this with form2.html. Now let's create file, that is login.php file. So php $name equals to $_ post, and inside that name. So we are receiving name field value from form into the $name variable. Then we have another field here, $password. Okay, so $password variable equals to $_ post, and here password. Okay, so in this we are receiving password field value from form in $password variable of PHP file. Then echo welcome $name comma your password is $password. Okay, so this is our message, that is echo welcome $name your password is $password. And at last let's close this and save this with login.php. okay, now let's run this localhost / form2.html. okay, so this is the form. Now let's enter the name. So my name is, say, Jack Martin. okay, and the password is 12345. okay, now let's log in. So hello Jack Martin, your password is 12345. okay, so this was about get and post request in PHP.